Revant Reddy welcomes to Naidu's suggestion for a meet. Telangana Chief Minister A. Revant Reddy has welcomed his Andhra Pradesh counterpart Nara Chandrababu Naidu's proposal to hold discussions on the bilateral issues between the two states. In a letter addressed to the AP Chief Minister Mr. Revant Reddy said he was in complete agreement with Mr. Naidu's reflections on the face-to-face meeting between the Chief Ministers of the two Telugu states. It is needed an imperative to resolve all the pending issues of the Bifurcation Act, he said an in-person meeting was necessary to help in building a strong foundation for mutual cooperation, exchange of ideas, and enabling the two to serve their respective people better. On behalf of the people of Telangana and my government, I am delighted to invite you for a tete at Jyotirao Phule Praja Bhavan in the afternoon hours on Saturday, he said. Mr. Reddy congratulated Mr. Naidu on the latter's extraordinary victory in the recently concluded Assembly and Lok Sabha elections in AP. You have joined a very rare league of politicians in independent India who have taken oath as the Chief Minister for a fourth time, he said.